What is up, guys? Back to the first actual video of this freaking channel. We're here gonna do some coilover install on my car thanks to my boy Brandon out there from LD97. Got some BC Racing coils right here, guys. Check this shit out. What bam! Sheesh. Look at all this shit. Sheesh. Nice. As it sits now, took off the top parts for the front, for the top hats here, and Brandon already disassembled the rear. We actually have to get a special tool he has to grab from Harbor Freight for this part. The top hat, actually, there's a special compressor tool that you need. So if you have an M340, you gotta make sure you get the compressor tool to get this top hat off, because you have to use the top hats for the new ones right here. I'm sorry, new ones over there. And yeah, so he already disassembled the whole entire rear, both sides in like 15 minutes a pop. He ran through that. And now he's starting on the front, actually. Look at this is when you know you've done this multiple times. He's a master at this thing. Day 2, guys, day 2. We're back at it again. We could not get this thing taken out, but oh my god, this thing was a fucking struggle. Ta-da! Brandon literally was struggling with this thing. This thing was like a freaking retarded monster, but he bought this little piece. Actually spread this part for the strut to come out. Wasn't as easy as before, but a lot easier. This guy's gonna bang this shit out fast, man. He did the rear in like 30 minutes, so the front is the only worst part. I think it's only been what? I think we started at like 3 something. 315, 310, 349. We were literally freaking wrestling with this. Look, I even bent the cover for the brake test. That's okay. Whatever, we'll fix it. I hate Bluetooth from previous videos, so BC Racing coils, as you can see. Let's go. Starting on the right side right now. I took apart the pieces that were covering the strut so we can get access to it. Rear should be done in like an hour. So this is a real hard car to work on with coilovers. So all you M340 owners, G20 owners, if you're gonna go coilovers, I recommend you getting this tool. This splits apart the knuckle so you can actually have access to it. What could Brandon have to do to freaking gain access to pull this thing out of the fender? Look at how they compress this thing. What BM? Alright guys, check this out. We're gonna loosen this thing right here. Yeah. Oh shit. What happened? Huh?
Remind me before I forget.
Why? Yeah.
Because you're going to notice it right away.
What did I notice?
No, you'll notice it if you leave without hooking it back up.
Oh, what?
Driver's side, I forgot to plug the headlight. There's a module. I forgot to put the arm back on it.
The headlight? Said headlight?
No, it's to control your headlights, the height adjustments.
Oh! The level, okay.
I forgot to, I mean, it just puts in. I just forgot to put it back in.
That's fine. Hey, as long as it's, as long as I can drive, I'm fine. So we took these pieces apart, which is for the rear top hat part.
I'll just jack up the car and go underneath it and do it. It's not, I don't need to pick off the wood.
Okay. Yeah, whatever makes it easier so you don't gotta overwork yourself. So we got one side then. He's working on the second side. I took these parts off for the rear already, on the top hat part, because these are going to be used for the rear struts, which are these right here. These are rear struts. As you can see, this is for the front right here. This is the front right. Shit's heavy as hell, yo. bring it to this side right here. Okay. Same method. This is the problem I was talking about. This shit gets caught. Look at that. It's ridiculous, right? What is out? But look at how much you have to compress it. So, the video, how bad it's gonna be. Look at this. Nice. Ta-da! That's probably the longest that stuff's gonna take. The rear is gonna be so much quicker. He's gonna knock that shit out like I can't snap with my right, but that. Oh shit, it's over there.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh no, let's get the bar thing.
Oh, gotta throw it back in. Same spot right here. Yo, what's up, Ray? What's up, big boy?
You guys did this.
Huh?
When you guys done this?
Almost. He's almost done. Oops.
You get in?
Almost there. That was the getting out part was the hardest. the strap.
No, still need it. Still need it.
I'll pull out that though.
Pull out game wasn't strong.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. It's not bad. How you doing?
Good, you?
Good. Wifey and Kara miss you. They just got their nose pierced right now.
Oh, no way.
No, they didn't get the fucking.
Why, I was supposed to be there to get mine or what? Just said my kid with him. He wanted to get shit. Oh, you did the rears? You did there or what?
No, he fucking had it disassembled already.
What do you mean?
He took everything out already on the rear, bro. And then, like, we had to look for those top hats.
Oh.
So he was like, "Oh shit."
Oh.
How's it looking with the kit?
Well, so far it's going to be right at the time.
Right,
So,
right,
but
right.
even, what's the name?
I'll be like them. Yeah. Oh, I'm just kidding. Look at that. Look, done. It's lowered. Looks pretty good, should I say? I mean, for stock out the box, pretty damn good. That rear though, it tucks pretty decently. That's pretty good. Damn, look at that. Sheesh. BC Racing. Big ups to the homie Daniel Espinoza for getting me that connect, you know? Look at that. Damn.